Y'all niggas want some chicken?
Shit, yeah, I want some. Boy, you know I want some chicken.
Hey, let me get it in that thing, boy.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying? Hell yeah. This motherfucker hot, nigga. Hot. Woo, it's good though. Spicy in the bit, you know. It's good though.
You look it up. Pretty crazy.
Last time I knocked the kid out when my little brother was little.
What's wrong?
Oh.